Did you know WD-40 could help you avoid a $4,000 repair? It's true, and most mechanics won't mention it. But today I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing practical WD-40 tips that can save you serious money and prevent costly breakdowns. From seized hood latches to stuck spark plugs, these simple tricks are what many pros use, but rarely talk about. Let's get into the WD-40 hacks every driver should know. Free stuck spark plugs without breaking the bank. Hearing that awful grinding sound while removing a spark plug? That's not normal. It's metal-on-metal contact from corrosion, and forcing it can lead to costly damage. The smarter move, spray WD-40 directly onto the spark plug threads and let it soak for about 10 minutes. It penetrates deep, breaking up rust and corrosion from the inside out, reducing removal torque from hundreds of foot-pounds to nearly effortless. Pro tip: do this while the engine is still warm after a short drive. Heat helps the WD-40 work even better. Save yourself from stripped threads or a pricey repair. Let the lubricant do the hard work. Diagnosing squeaky belts, that loud, embarrassing squeal coming from under your hood, doesn't always mean your belt's done for. And rushing to replace it could waste your money. More often, it's just moisture causing the belt to slip against the pulleys, creating that high-pitched noise. The quick fix? A light mist of WD-40 sprayed on the underside of the belt. It displaces the moisture, reduces friction, and quiets the squeal almost instantly. This isn't a permanent repair, but it gives you enough breathing room to plan a proper inspection instead of making a rushed, expensive decision. Just be careful. Don't soak the belt, as too much WD-40 can break down the rubber over time. Even ASE-certified mechanics like Eric the Car Guy have backed this as a trusted emergency trick. And now, you've got it in your toolbox too. Protect battery terminals from corrosion. Picture this. It's a freezing morning and your car won't start. The culprit? That white, crusty buildup on your battery terminals. Corrosion that slowly chokes your electrical system and makes your car work overtime until it fails. The simple solution? WD-40. A light spray forms a protective, moisture-resistant barrier that stops corrosion before it starts. For best results, disconnect the battery terminals, always negative first, then positive. Coat all the exposed metal with WD-40, then reconnect, positive first, then negative. It's a quick, preventative move that can save you from a $200 tow or the embarrassment of begging for a jump start in the office parking lot. Free frozen locks WD-40 isn't just a garage staple. In winter, it's survival gear in a can. If you've ever struggled with a frozen car lock while running late, you know how frustrating it is when your key won't budge. That's because moisture inside the lock freezes, jamming the internal pins. But here's where WD-40 shines. The WD stands for water displacement. It was literally designed for this. A quick spray into the keyhole melts the ice, drives out moisture, and frees the mechanism. Even better, it leaves a protective layer behind to stop future freeze-ups. People spend over $100 on emergency lockouts every winter, but this one-minute trick can save you time, money, and stress. Keep a small can in your glove box or bag, because odds are you'll need it or help someone else who does. Restoring car headlights. Cloudy yellow headlights aren't just an eyesore. They can cut your nighttime visibility by up to 80%, putting your safety at risk. Over time, UV rays degrade the protective coating on your headlights, leaving them dull and hazy. While a full polish or restoration kit is the long-term fix, WD-40 offers a quick, temporary solution. Just spray a little on a microfiber cloth and wipe down the headlight lens. It fills in tiny surface cracks, smooths out the finish, and boosts clarity almost instantly. It won't last forever, but it's a fast way to improve your headlights and drive safer until you can tackle a proper restoration. Silence squeaky hinges and latches, that annoying squeak every time you open your car door or trunk. It's not just irritating. It's a sign that dirt and moisture have worked their way into the hinges, breaking down lubrication over time. A quick shot of WD-40 into the hinge or latch mechanism can fix it fast. It cleans out grime, displaces moisture, and restores smooth movement almost instantly. For exposed hinges, be sure to wipe off any excess to prevent dirt buildup. Want the silence to last? After spraying, move the hinge through its full range a few times, then wipe clean and finish with a layer of white lithium grease. It's a simple fix that keeps your car feeling smooth and sounding quiet. Keep mud off your undercarriage. Mud might seem harmless, but it's actually one of the fastest ways to invite rust, especially when it mixes with road salt to create a moisture-trapping paste that clings to your vehicle's undercarriage. The smart prevention? A light coat of WD-40 on clean, dry wheel wells and underbody components. It creates a hydrophobic layer that repels water and helps mud slide off instead of sticking, much like wax on paint. Off-roaders and rural drivers have relied on this trick for years to protect truck frames and SUVs from long-term corrosion. It's a simple step that can add years to the life of your vehicle's underbody. Clean off bugs, tar, or tree sap. Bug splatter, tree sap, and road tar aren't just unsightly. They can actually eat into your car's clear coat and cause lasting damage if left untreated. Thankfully, WD-40 offers a fast, affordable solution. Just spray it directly on the affected area, let it sit for a minute, and wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. The formula breaks down the sticky residues at the molecular level without scratching your paint. Professional detailers might charge over $50 for this kind of removal, but you can do it yourself for just pennies. One important tip: always wash the treated area with soap and water afterward to remove any remaining residue and prevent dust from sticking. Remove old stickers or decals. Got an old parking permit, dealership decal, or bumper sticker that just won't budge? Instead of scraping and risking scratches, reach for WD-40. Spray it generously over the sticker and around the edges, then let it sit for a minute or two. The WD-40 breaks down the adhesive, making it easy to peel off without damaging your paint or glass. This trick also works wonders on stubborn window tint residue. It's a quick DIY fix that can save you the cost of a detailer and keep your car looking clean and professional. Stop rust in door sills. Every time you step into your car, your door sills take a hit, and over time, they collect water, road salt, and grime that trigger hidden rust from the inside out. Moisture gets trapped where the inner and outer panels meet, especially in the lower corners, and it rarely dries completely. The simple fix? Spray a light coat of WD-40 along the seams and drip rails. It forms a protective barrier that repels moisture and helps stop rust before it starts. Target those vulnerable lower corners where water tends to pool. This quick step can save you from facing a rust repair bill anywhere from $500 to $2,000 and keep your car looking sharp for years. Don't wait until it's too late. Free your stuck hood. Latch today. Imagine needing quick access under the hood, only to have the latch jammed shut. In emergencies, every second counts. A seized hood latch can keep you from reaching the battery, engine, or vital fluids when you need them most. Stay ready. Unstick it now before it becomes a real problem. What's the issue? Your hood latch is constantly exposed to the elements. Road grime, salt, and moisture all build up over time. It's one of the most corrosion-prone parts of your vehicle, yet it's often overlooked until it fails, usually when you're already stuck somewhere and need it most. Here's how to fix it. Spray WD-40 directly onto the hood latch under the hood and the release lever inside the cabin. Cycle the mechanism several times to work the lubricant in. WD-40 dissolves corrosion and leaves behind a protective film to keep things moving smoothly. A seized hood latch can cost you $85 to $150 in roadside assistance, if help even shows up quickly. This quick fix takes less than a minute and should be part of your regular seasonal car check. Already stuck? Have someone pull the release while you gently press down on the hood. That little bit of pressure might be all it needs to pop free. Once it's open, wipe it clean and apply a generous coat of WD-40 or white lithium grease for longer-lasting protection. That $5 can of lube might just save you a $150 tow. Protect your emergency tools from rust before it's too late. The tools stashed in your trunk or under your seat may be quietly corroding, setting you up for failure when you need them most. Trunks are prone to extreme temperature swings and humidity, causing condensation that eats away at metal over time. The easy fix: Apply a light coat of WD-40 to all your tools, especially moving parts like hinges and joints. Wipe off any excess to avoid residue buildup. This leaves a protective barrier that blocks moisture and prevents rust during long-term storage. Even brand new tools can show rust in just a few months. Jacks, lug wrenches, jumper cables, all at risk. For added protection, store tools in a sealed container or zippered bag with a few silica gel packs to absorb moisture. Rusty tools can cost $50 plus to replace. This 2-minute routine keeps your emergency gear reliable and ready when you really need it. WD-40, the grease cleaner. You didn't know you had. After a quick roadside fix or emergency repair, you're often left with stubborn grease that regular soap won't budge. That's because oil-based grime clings to your skin and repels water. The fix? Spray a bit of WD-40 into your hands, rub thoroughly, then wash with soap and water. It dissolves the grease and acts as a bridge between oil and water, making cleanup fast and effective. It's a trusted trick in the mechanic world. Less harsh than gritty cleaners and a lot cheaper. Keep a can in your trunk or toolbox. Your hands will thank you. Instant tire shine with WD-40. In a rush to make your car pop? WD-40 can double as a quick tire shine in a pinch. Tires dull over time from oxidation and road grime. A light wipe with WD-40 revives that deep black look, giving your car a clean, polished appearance. Fast. Heads up. This is a short-term fix, not a long-term protectant. Overuse can degrade rubber. Use it sparingly for special occasions like a date, job interview, or last-minute sale. Just spray a little on clean, dry sidewalls and buff with a cloth. It delivers a shine that rivals store-bought products for a fraction of the price. Remove bumper scuffs and paint transfer in minutes. Notice strange paint streaks on your bumper after a parking lot bump? Good news. It's likely just paint transfer, not a scratch. Here's how to fix it. Spray WD-40 directly on the mark and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Then gently buff in circular motions with a microfiber cloth. WD-40 safely breaks down the foreign paint without harming your vehicle's clear coat. Pro tip. Run your fingernail over the mark. If it glides smoothly, it's surface level transfer. If it catches, the damage is deeper and may need polishing or touch-up paint. Finish with a spray wax or detailer to restore shine and add protection. Body shops can charge $75 to $150 for this exact fix. You can do it yourself in 5 minutes with a can of WD-40 and a clean cloth. Final thoughts. A travel-size can of WD-40 and a microfiber cloth in your glove box can be a lifesaver. Whether it's a stuck hood latch, greasy hands, rusty tools, faded tires, or bumper scuffs, these simple fixes can save you time, money, and hassle when it matters most. Want more practical car hacks that actually work? Check out the next video. You'll be amazed at what a $6 can of WD-40 can really do.